I got a little bit planned for today, but not much. More than what I typically have going on. But, yeah, just got some lunch at the Mickey D's. I don't know, every once in a while, I'll just have a little cravings for some McDonald's. Don't hate me for it. I know so many people are like, McDonald's are so gross. I mean, I agree. But I still crave it every once in a while. There's this car meet happening down the street. I think I'm about to go to real quick. Go see what's going on with that. But I'm going to throw up what I ate for lunch real quick so y'all can see. I need my keys. Can't start the bike without the keys, buddy. Oh, man. I'm full, though. I am full. I've been seeing so many nice cars around because of the car meet, so I'm excited. Like, earlier I saw a McLaren, but he was going the opposite way of the meet, so I don't know what that was about, but I'm trying to think of which way I want to go. We're gonna go this way. Some people are just so nice. But I'm gonna just go ahead and apologize in advance. I don't know if it's gonna be much of a problem, but it is on the windier side today, so there might be a little bit more wind noise than there has been in the previous videos, but we will just have to see. Just wanted to give y'all a heads up. Feels so good. I think it's like 72 is the high or something for today. So I was actually debating on wearing a long sleeve while riding today, but I just didn't know if I was gonna get hot or not, so I just said whatever, I'm gonna just wear a short sleeve, and if I get cold I'll just deal with it. Get behind this 350. Oh, I just got splattered by water. They're blocking me in. I can't go nowhere. You ain't going to the car meet, buddy? What the heck? Dude, I'm tired of getting splashed by water. I'm gonna wipe off the lens because I have no idea if that got on it or not. Yeah, sometimes the meets in our area are hit or miss. I haven't been to one in a while, but this one little meet that we have going on, I think this detail shop is the ones that put on the meet. So it's the first one that we really had like a business is promoting and behind and whatnot. So it usually has a pretty decent turnout, but sometimes it's still a hit or miss. But it is a very nice Sunday, and I've gotten word that it's probably going to be a pretty packed up meet. I think it started, what time is it? 1:43. It started about 43 minutes ago. It started at 1. It's running from 1 to 4 is what I believe I was told. We'll just have to go and see. Go and see about it. Yeah, I'm wanting to really upload as much as I can on the weekends, because it's when I have most of my free time, because I work during the week every day. So this is when I'm really going to try to pump out content, is on the weekend. But I'm still gonna try to do what I can during the week on the days that I wake up early before work. So we'll just have to see. I still haven't figured out like a schedule or anything I want to stick to. I'm just kind of doing it when I feel like it and when I can, pretty much. So just be on the lookout. Be on the lookout. I wonder if there's gonna be any what the fuck? That shit just spawned. I wonder if there's gonna be any exotic cars at this meet. I really hope so. I love seeing the exotics. I love seeing everything else too, but you know, you just don't really see exotics that much. At least not in my area. There's like I'm having a hard time finding neutral today. I don't know what's going on with me, but yeah, there's not very many exotic cars around here. We have like a few Lamborghinis I've seen throughout the years, a McLaren or two, but they're not out very often. There's like one Lamborghini with this wrap that's pretty cool that always rides around, but that's about the only one I really see on a consistent basis. Ooh, gotta stop. There we go. We found neutral good that time. Let's go. Oh man, oh man. I'm still trying to decide if I want to try to take some like B-roll footage of cars while I'm there, throwing clips. What's up, man? You going to the meet? You going to the meet down here? There's a car meet. Yeah. Well, it's up here at the DMV. Oh, yeah, that's where I'm heading right now. I was just gonna go see what's up there. I ain't got nothing else to do, so. Yeah, me neither. I got mud all up in here. Appreciate it. I like yours too, man. It's clean. I like that color. Yeah. Yeah, that's nice. I'm a sucker for white. Yeah, it's a Yamaha. It's a R6. Yeah. Yeah, it's all dark and black. You can't see much features about it. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Alright, well, I mean, it's right up here. We'll just go see. Oh.
I was riding with a dude on a R6 yesterday.
Oh, really?
I was in after park and it wouldn't crank. I had to pump start him.
Oh, shit. That's cool. Homie kind of scared me at first. I like just pulled up on me and I was like, okay, well, but shoot, we're gonna go pull up to the car meet. He didn't know about it. Man, this is one thing I love about bikes. People are so much more friendly to you, it feels like, or more willing to talk to you and whatnot when you're on a bike. It's crazy. I hope he knows where we're going. I mean, I told him it's at the DMV, but he's out in front of me. I'm gonna go in front. Alright. But yeah, like I was saying, hope there's some cool ass exotics up here. That would make me happy. And some nice JDM cars. That would be pretty sick. We're about to turn in right here. Oh yeah, it's packed up right now. It's packed. Yeah, that's a good turnout. Shoot! See some hood pops. What did I just say? I meant to say I see some hoods that are popped. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, I didn't either. One of my buddies told me about it today. And I was like, shoot, I don't got nothing else better to do. Oh. You ain't got no gloves or nothing? Yeah, I don't blame you. Oh, shit. My dog damn chewed up my glove, so. Alright, man. Well, it was nice to meet you, man. Be safe. Oh. Oh, that was cool. I had a few of my other buddies pull up. I didn't really do much filming or any filming while I was here, but I got my buddy Nick. He took a bunch of pictures with his camera, so I've told him when he gets done editing, if he wants to send them my way, he can. I'm just gonna pull around so y'all can see some of the cars. I like this green Civic right here. It was a pretty good turnout. Got barbecue. They got a live DJ over there. A bunch of people out here taking pictures. That always makes me happy. I love when people appreciate my bike and whatnot. That Laurel was sexy. Bunch of really nice car. S1000RR, sexy. Yo. I think you say you like the bike. Oh my lord, I didn't see that earlier. Twin turbo, Jesus. There's a lot of nice Mustangs out here. Slammed, Pro Charged. I love that color combo. But yeah, like I said, my buddy took a bunch of pictures of some of the really nice cars out here. So whatever he decides to send me, I will throw in. Y'all make sure to go check out his channel too. I will link it in the description. Got the live DJ going, some Jeeps. Got the cops. Ooh, R8 GTR. I love this GT2 RS. Dream car material right there. Yeah, but I think I'm about to head out to the house and get to editing this video. There was a lot more people here earlier. We hung out for a little while and whatnot. I've only been riding for like 3 months, bro. Yeah. Y'all have a good one. Oh, I hate it, bro. I gotta learn how to do a wheelie. Everyone always asking me to do wheelies, and I'm like, I would if I could, but I can't. Man was telling me to pop it up. He was asking me to do a wheelie. I was like, I don't know how to do that yet. Yeah. Yeah. I guess I gotta learn how to do a wheelie, because everywhere I go, it's like They're telling me to do it. And I'm like, I can't do it, man. I just can't.
And ain't everybody on the bike do that at will.
Yeah, I know. I'm like,
I give you a burnout, but I'm fucking losing minimum time.
yeah, I'm not trying to do that. You're going to have to pay me if I'm doing that.
Yeah, I would do one. Fucking ain't the police wasn't around.
Yeah, that, yeah.
I give one. Fuck, dog.
Yeah. Yeah, that too. I ain't trying to. I already had my fun with the cops yesterday. I'm good. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We made it. We made it. We for sure didn't run that. We're good. No, we definitely made that though. Oh man, this turned out to be a way more exciting and eventful day than I planned on. I was not expecting this whatsoever. Thought I was just gonna pull up to the meet by myself. Yeah. Oh, man, it's goofy. Yes, sir. Oh, whipping that Harley. What in the hell is that? That's dangerous.
All the time.
I know, me too. Oh. I don't know, it's up to you. Yeah, I was gonna say we got a Mustang right here.
Green light.
Yeah. But he started doing burnout, bro. He was scaring me. He was so close to the Mustang. I was like, what if you jump forward, bro? You're hitting that Mustang. Man, it's kind of crazy. It's pretty cool though. Man, leaning on Harley. It looks so goofy on a Harley. An SVT F-150? I don't feel like I've ever seen one of those.
Hey, I gotta hit. I gotta head down 85.
Oh, okay.
So,
All right, man. I'll see you. Be safe.
yeah, buddy. Hey, what's your number, dude?
You got. Get out your phone, bro.
Hey, type in my number on your phone.
All right. Give me 1 second.
And then shoot me a call, and I'll save you in, bro.
All right. Yeah. There you go. All right.
It's in my damn bag.
Okay. Yeah, I'll save it later when I get home.
It's Toby.
All right. Yeah, man. Dylan.
I keep forgetting you missing the strap.
I know, dude. I hate it.
Oh, yeah, it's bullshit.
Yeah.
Take a U-turn at the next light around.
Oh, okay. All right.
I gotta hit 85 north. I gotta go Poplar Road.
Oh, okay. I got you. Yeah, today was a good day so far. Good day. I'm gonna start going to those car meets more often. That was pretty fun. I used to go like, shoot, I don't know, it's probably a year ago at this point. But yeah, I think I'm about to head to the house real quick, do some editing, relax for a little bit. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end the video here. It was a nice little day, some cars and whatnot. I really wish I would have filmed while I was there. I just was having a good time talking to people, looking at their cars. But maybe next time I'll pull out the camera or wear the helmet around, and we'll see about getting some footage of the cars, because there were some really sick builds there. On the drive around, I didn't get to show y'all one car because he had already taken off, but there was a full-on drag build Mustang. It was twin turboed on a drag pack, like full interior stripped. Maybe my buddy Nick got some pictures of it. I feel like he definitely did, so I'll get him to try to send me some of those, and then I'll put in the pictures for y'all so y'all can see what I'm talking about. But yeah, if y'all are enjoying this car content as well, like going to car meets and whatnot, I don't really know of any bike meets around here. There really isn't any. We barely have car meets. And it doesn't look like it from that, because that looks like a, you know, a pretty good little meet. But we don't really usually have very many meets. So that's like the only good one we've really ever had.